Hey.
Where are we going?
Dallas competition.
Exciting? I'm not very excited.
Well, I just got done taking a couple online exams, but outside of that, yeah, I will be excited once we're there. Lunch of champions.
Where are we headed?
The Hilton.
For what?
To warm up for Vei Choi. I had a pretty good 7.1 this ED.
Yeah.
Yeah. Last
But
two
you
solves,
also finished with a 10.
Yeah, I finished with a high 9 and 10.
That's pretty disappointing.
But
Because everyone had high hopes for you. They were cheering you on.
It's okay. That means that people will be really happy when I get a better average in the second round. Oh, I needed coffee so badly. So burnt out. Yeah. I screwed up the finals. It was just...
You really screwed up the finals.
Yeah.
Huh.
The cube did not want to be solved quickly. Everything that could have gone wrong, each solve did. Just pairs didn't get solved when I thought they did, and I don't know, I wasn't nervous, like shaky, but just bad cases, a couple mess ups. I +2'd, like, just not good when you add it all up, but...
He didn't podium at all, but it's okay. We're gonna go for yummy pizza.
It's okay. I've won enough times that I can take a 5th place.